Howdy. There is quite some stuff going on at the moment. Also earthquake-wise. I made this yesterday evening still. A quick picture. There are no quick pictures, but anyway, I couldn't figure out a better word. The thing is, these three quakes happened almost simultaneously. Within about 3 minutes. Which I find very interesting. And another thing I want to point out is not only that the earthquake activity, or let's say the increased earthquake activity in Europe, continues. There has been one, maybe it's Portugal, I think so. Branco, Portugal, 3 hours ago, 3.5. At around 12 kilometers in depth, 31 user reports. But there, like if you go to France, where you can see there's like all over the place rather strong quakes. Let's start here from the south. 12 hours ago, 2.0. Since it's orange, it might be, it's 15 kilometers in depth. The next one, 17 hours ago. This happened yesterday, obviously. 17 hours ago, 2.3. 19 hours ago, 2.3. 17 hours ago, 2.1. Unconfirmed. Now we come to the unconfirmed quakes, because I took a quick look at those today and I just noticed how many of those are unconfirmed. I didn't really have time to now check them all out, but it says it's a 3.8, 10 kilometers in depth unconfirmed. 17 hours ago, so this happened also yesterday. And this earthquake application in recent, like since a week or so, it has some bugs. It doesn't really work properly for whatever reasons. 2 hours ago, 3.4. So this is ongoing. Nouvelle-Aquitaine, France. Aquitaine, which could refer to water. Yeah, actually now when I talk about that, let me show you something. Let's go to terrain. And I think it's up here. You see all these water veins? There are hundreds, if not thousands of them. Grande rigole de la Garette. Yes, when I get time a little bit, I have to figure out where this river originates. What's the thing about that? About this river? It might originate in the Alps, which would be very interesting. But now let's go still a little bit further out. 6 hours ago, unconfirmed, 3.8. Let me guess, it's 10 kilometers in depth. Yes. 16 hours ago, unconfirmed, 3.8. Unconfirmed. What happened? Did it just disappear? No. Unconfirmed. 14 hours ago, 3.0. Is this a confirmed one? Yes, 8 hours ago. It's a deeper one. 17 kilometers. But there are more. There are more. Unconfirmed 17 hours ago. Normandy. Yeah, this is like really, what's going on with this application? And also there's another one in England. Unconfirmed 3.8. Haha. Funny. 20 kilometers in depth. Maybe we have to look at that a bit closer. Do we have any more? Some more information about that. Unconfirmed quake or seismic-like event southeast of Crawley, West Sussex, England, United Kingdom. Updated 8 minutes ago. Magnitude unknown, 3.8, but they know the depth. Or maybe it's just because it's deeper, it's just 20 kilometers. 10, 20, you know. Primary data source, user reported shaking. Clear sky. So it was rather warm in England, 26.3 degrees. But anyway. Yeah, this is also one I haven't seen yet. 3.6. Unconfirmed, also a deeper one. 20 kilometers. Let's check out the reports. Maybe there is something interesting. I was cleaning scar. Okay. Continuing shaking. On the 11th floor of a building with a colleague, felt swaying, thought I was having a turn, but then we saw the plant shaking. We went out of the office and 4 others in our floor said they felt the same weird sensation. Okay. Yes, that's a very interesting development we have going on in Europe. There's also a rather strong quake here, some 3-point or something. Alpes-Maritimes, Provence-Alpes, Côte d'Azur. For those who don't know, there is a very, very nice feature here. There's a feather. The French feather. Yeah. I have to try to get some time to dive a little bit deeper in this activity because it's very interesting. Very, very interesting. And I thought about the possibility that could it be, is there any possibility that these quakes are precursor events to very, very bad weather coming to Europe? Is it possible that quakes also could be this kind of precursor events, happenings before there is very bad weather coming? Let's see. We have to keep an eye on that. Maybe wait a few days. 3 hours ago. Now let's check out this bigger one here. Check out some user reports if we can click on it. Doesn't react. Reports. 10,972 reports. Do you understand now what I mean, that this application doesn't really work in recent times? So it doesn't work. Let's try again. It doesn't respond even anymore. It doesn't do anything. I leave it here. Very interesting activity in Europe. Now it does something despite I'm not doing anything. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, hopefully they get this right. And this works probably once again. Thank you. And be safe. There might be more coming. Thanks. Bye.